iinvent and Amitsu present the following STEAM brainstorm. You may download the recording at amitsu.org and support our children's home. Thank you.
And who all do we have today?
Today we have me, Nikuni
Okay.
Lakshani,
Mm-hmm.
the Shalika Sasikala,
Mm-hmm.
Hasini, Imasha, Gayanjali, Nishadi,
Okay.
Madhumala, and Nehara.
Very good. So how many total?
14, sir.
40. Very good. Okay. All right. And you all can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. All right. So firstly, uh, the art and poems that you all submitted on Amitsu iinvent page was very good, and you all have a very good understanding of what we learned last 2 weeks ago. So we had teaching tree for 1 week, correct? So whatever we learned in 1 week, you have a very good understanding. So thank you for submitting that. The artwork and the aims pertaining to the STEAM subjects. The second part, on Saturday, India celebrated their Independence Day. So we had what do you call celebration concert, that is e-concert on the e-concert meaning concert on the computer, meaning all the programs, everything was online. So in that, uh, some of the Amitsu children who submitted artwork to paint the world project were awarded. Okay, so I believe I will send you all the link. Okay, so you all can watch, but there's a certificate that was presented on this e-concert to Amitsu children uh, who had submitted artwork for the Paint My World project. So thank you for that. And those were the two announcements or initial things that I wanted to say. Do you all have any questions? Sorry.
No, sir.
No. Okay. All right. Okay. So with that said, today, um, what we will do is, so we have last week, okay, or 1 week or 2 weeks before, we went through the subjects of science, right? And in science, we learned how everything is made from air, water, sun, earth, right? And
Yes.
how further breaking them down, we go to electrons, protons, and neutrons. In science, we learned that, correct?
Yes, sir.
So can you just say that, Tushara, in Sinhala for the kids also, please, or someone else say that?
Okay, sir. They have to call in that. විද්‍යාව කලාකරා වෙච්චා අර සූටි දෙයක් කැම්ගේ පරමාණු කියලා අන්න ඒක ගැන ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් කතා කරේ ටෙක්නොලොජි අපි විදුලි එක දේවල් ඊට පස්සේ කතා කරේ මේ ඉංජිනේරින්ග් ඉංජිනේරින්ග් ගැන හදාගත්තේ අපි කතා කරා ඒ සෝනාරය ගැන කතා කරේ සෝනාරය පරිසරයෙන් පරිසර ඩොල්ෆින් එක බලාගෙන යද්දි ඒ වගේ හැම නිපදවීම කරන්න පරිසරය මොකක්ද දිහා කියන්නේ ප්‍රාණිකයක් කරනවා නම් ඉස්සෙල්ලා පළවෙනි පියවර තමයි පරිසරය දිහා බලාගෙන ඒකෙන් ආදර්ශ ඒක ප්‍රයත්න කරන විදිය අපේ ඔළුවට නම් ඊට පස්සේ තමයි නිර්මාණය හැදෙන්නේ. කිව්වා පළවෙනි පියවර නිර්මාණය හැදීම දෙවෙනි පියවර ඒක පවත්වාගෙන යාම තුන්වෙනි පියවර මාරු කිරීම. Okay, sir.
Okay. So after science, we learned technology, right? In technology, we learned about electricity. Okay, how electricity, which is the source of energy as well as all the concepts in technology, how that is created, how that is used, how that is, um, what is the word, how it functions, and we learned in technology about Nikola Tesla, right? Um, and in terms of electricity, how atoms are vibrated, right, or set into vibration with a magnet, and how that produces electricity. So, what did we learn in technology? That finally electricity is nothing but atoms vibrating, and these atoms are vibrating because magnet, right? The magnet is
Yes.
rotating, and magnet is rotating because of either steam, either what do you call, like Kotamale Dam, right? Powerhouses or anything. Uh, you said coal, wind turbine, all that rotates the magnet. That is what we learned. Can you explain that, please? In similar, anyone?
Okay, sir. දෙවෙනි දශම කතා කරලා අද කිව්වා විදුලි උත්පාදනය කියන්නේ දෙන්නේ ඒක වෙන්නේ පරමාණු දෙයක් අතර වෙන චලනයකින් ඒකෙන් මේ විදුලි නිෂ්පාදනය ඒ වෙන ක්‍රම හතරක් තියෙනවා එම් තාපින් අපි කියන්නේ විදුලි සෝලර් පැනල් කියන්නේ ඒකනේ ජලය ටර්බයින් එක කරගෙන ප්‍රතිරෝධයක් තිබ්බනේ ඔටෝමැටික්ලා කරගෙන අන්න ඒකේ ඔය ගත්තා ඒ දෙවෙනි එක පුරේ තුන වාතයෙන් ලොකු ෆෑන් හතරවෙනි එක ගිල්ලින් අගුරු වතුර වෙලා ඒකේ තාපේ මම ඊළඟ දුරේ එකතු ඕකේ සර්
Okay. So then we learned more about art after that, right? So we talked about science, technology, then we came to art. And in the art, what we do, we took input, right? And we had poems, we had songs, we had stories about what? About the lessons we had learned, right? So the art was one of the classes which helped us understand about the lessons we had learned in a very easy way, correct? So such as Twinkle Twinkle, right? We learned about stars and sun, right? In Mary Had a Little Lamb, we learned about engineer, right? A lamb being an engineer. Johnny Johnny, we learned about truthfulness, right? So, what did we do? We took art and we understood that even in art, there is a lesson that gets created. Can you explain that, please, in Sinhala?
Okay, sir. අපි කතා කරේ ඔයාලා කතන්දර කියන්නේ ඒ කතන්දර සින්දු කිව්වේ මේ කියන්නේ කලින් ඉන්න දේවල් දැන් ට්වින්කල් ට්වින්කල් ලිටල් දැන් අපි කතා කරා අපේ තරුව. ඒ තරුව කලින් ඉගෙන ගන්න දැන් දුකන්දිය ඒ තරුව කියලා අපිට right දැන් මම ඒකෙදී අර බැටළුවා මේ ඉංජිනේරෙක් කියලා කිව්වනේ ඇඳුම් මහන් ලොම් දෙන එක දැන් එයා විශ්ීමන ලොම් එපා එයා ලොම් ඔය ලොම් බැටළුවා ඉන්නේ තව අපි උනේ අසි වේගේ අපි සතුරු නේ ලොකු දාගෙන ඉන්න කල්ප පත්‍රයක් අපි ගෙන ගන්න අනිවාර්ය දෙයක් මොණේ අපේ දායකයන් හත්තේ සිංදුවේ කතා කරලා ඒ කතන්දර වලින් සර් අපිට දුන්නේ අපි කලින් ගත්ත දේවල් ගැන සාරාංශය අර සාරාංශය මොකද කියලා ඒ කතන්දර වලින් නැත්නම් සිංදු වලින් කලින් ඉගෙන ගත්ත දේවල් පැහැදිලි කරනවා ඒවත් අපි අහලා තියෙන්නේ උදාහරණ ඕකේ සර්
Oh, good. So you explain that? All right. Okay. So with that said, um, second, all right. So we have covered science, technology, art. What is the next subjects that you think we are going to cover? Huh? What is that? Maths. Yes. Maths. Correct? So
yes sir
we are going to cover science, technology, and then art, and now math. Okay. And this lesson is about math. And again, next we'll start on science and go deeper. So what are we going to do? Our subjects, science, technology, art, and then we cover math. And again, science comes up later in the next session. Okay. All right. So today's session on math. Okay. We had talked about this before. Okay. And before starting this, give me 1 second. Can you see me?
yes sir
Okay, okay. Can you switch on your video also? Ah, hi kids.
hi sir
Okay, good to see you all. Okay, all right. So, can anyone, right, tell me? Okay, who likes math? Let's start with that.
Lakshani and me
Okay, so why do you like math?
Because while we are solving the equation, it's very uh, we are means it is more enjoyable than writing essays
Okay.
because that's why I love it.
Okay. What about Lakshani? Why do you like math? Where is Lakshani?
Because I like it.
You like it. Okay. What do you like about it? Anything? Okay. I can't hear. What about others? Who likes math? The small children. You like math?
Yes.
What do you like about math?
Division.
Huh?
Division.
Say that again.
Uh, so it's division.
Division. Okay, very good, very good. All right. So you like division. Okay. Who else likes math?
Around
Anyone likes math? Anyone likes addition? Who likes addition? Addition. Okay. Who likes there. Okay, go ahead.
I like.
Hi.
I like.
Uh,
Hi, sir. Sir, I like.
addition.
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 Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Addition. Good, good. And what about subtraction? Tushara, does she like subtraction?
No, sir.
No? No? Okay, okay. All right. You like addition, no subtraction. Who likes subtraction? Who likes multiplication? Anyone? Come.
Sir,
Hi.
like subtract.
Go ahead. Hi, how are you?
I'm, I'm fine.
Good, good. So you like what? Tell us.
Sub, subtract.
Subtraction.
So she like
Okay. You like subtraction. Very good. All right. Then, all right. So we talked about equation, we have talked about division, we talked addition, subtraction. Anyone likes multiplication?
I like multiplication.
Say that again.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
I like
Uh, like
multiplication.
multiplication. Okay, very good. Okay. Huh? All right, good. So today, since we have people or kids who like addition, what is addition? Let us say I have one pin. Huh? Where did Tushar? I'll wait for him. Oh, he went out. Okay. Who is there? Lakshani, you're there? Can you all hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So kids said they like addition. Huh? What is addition? 1 plus 1. Can you see the pins? So you put together, right? 2. Then you add one more, it becomes 3. Can you all see? So do you know what is addition? Correct? Tushar, they all know what is addition?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Then they know what is subtraction then?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So you have one phone, correct? And you put one more phone, it becomes 2. Subtraction, you take out one phone, it becomes 1, correct? Simple. Huh?
Yes.
Very simple. Tell them, Tushara, please, or Lakshani, what is addition, what is subtraction that we just said?
Keep a cutting top. I think I want to go to the end of that. And then come. In the other talking, however, come too much. If I get the water, the gram make a dugrama subtraction. Okay, sir.
Understood? Okay, good, good. Huh? So, you have to answer this, kids. Okay? We'll wait for Tushara also to come. Huh? So, did you get any rain recently? Any rain? Did it rain? Anyone ask them, Tushara, did it rain there in Amitsu anytime soon? Did it rain? Yes or no?
So yesterday.
Yesterday it rained. Oh, very good, very good. Oh, so it rained yesterday. Huh? Okay. So what happened to that water? Where did it go? Where did the water go?
So some said that the water is going to underground.
Okay,
Some said that they are going to freeze.
good. Then what else? Did it flow to the big this thing hole in the back near the kitchen? Did water
Yes, sir.
go there?
Yes, sir. Some water put there.
Some water went there. Okay. Then that water in that hole there, today when the sun, was this thing, did it evaporate the water?
Yes.
Ask them. Did the water go into the air also and become a cloud? Did they understand?
Yes, sir, they are.
Okay. Now, did some water get into the river also? Ask them. And went into the river? They understand?
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right. So here is a question. When it rained, was water added to amitsu, earth? Was it added?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Very much.
Okay. Then, if it is added, let us say how much liters of water. Tushar, ask them how much liters of water was added because of the rain. Give it some number. 100 liters?
Sir, Madhumali is telling 100 liters.
Okay, good. Let us say 100 liters, huh? Or let us say, yes, 100 bottles of water was added. Okay. Then 100 bottles of water added. Who liked addition? Who's the person who said she likes addition?
Nehara.
Nehara. Huh? Nehara, do you understand that water was added because it rained? Addition?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Then you know what happened? Then the tree drank the water. Nom, 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 nom. Did the water get subtracted then? That is the question. Who like ah
Yes, sir.
oh, it got subtracted. Okay. All right. Good. Okay. So some tree drank, so it got subtracted. Okay. Then it went into the pond or the big hole in the back in the kitchen. The water get divided so that it went from the ground over there and it's stored. Who like division?
Madhumala.
Okay. So ask her, the water went into the hole in the back. So did it get divided? 100 liters was there. Let us say 50 liters went into the hole there in the back. So did it get divided?
අතුලේ සීනි කළා සීනි 50 එකක් පිටිපස්සේ දුන්නා 50 අපේ උඩ පිටිපස්සේ රඳු කාමු එතකොට
අර සිසි දෙකට පිටලා
සී දෙක පෙන්නන්නේ ඒකට බෙදීමක් මෙතන වෙන්නේ එතකොට බලද්දී කොට ඒකේ බෙදීමක් දෙක
Yes, sir.
අයි
Yes.
So you understand division, correct? Water got divided, correct? And it went to the hole, right?
yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. So very basic stuff. Everyone understands addition, subtraction, division now. Okay, with the rain that we got. Please say that Sara in Sinhala, so they get it.
Okay. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් අපි අතුලේ නාටකයේ මැක්සින් පොළොවට ලැබෙන අතුල දෙක සෙන් පොළොවට එකතු වීම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මැක්සින් පොළොවට එක එකතු වෙනවා. ඒකට අඩු කිරීම උදා කරේ පොළොවේ දැන් මේ වතුර කොට පහත් වෙනවා ටිකක් තුනක් ගහ කනවා උරා ගන්නවා ඒ වතුර එතන අඩු කිරීම බෙදීමක් වෙන්නේ දැන් ඒ අර ඊට පස්සේ එන වලට වතුරට තියන්න පස්සේ මේ පැත්තට යනවා ඒ භාගය උඩට යනවා ඊට බණ උඩ මතකෙට තියෙනවා ඕකේ සර්
So we had water that was added to amitsu yesterday because of rain. Then it got subtracted because some of the trees drank it. Okay, but also it got divided because some of it went into the well or the hole in the back. Okay, very good. Now that water got evaporated. What is evaporation? Does everyone know? Tushara, do they know what is evaporation? Where the sun falls and the water becomes like a steam and goes up. The water is hot. The steam, do they know?
yes sir
So tell them. So the sun fell on the water and some of it now got into the air, correct? And some of it went into the river. Tell them that.
වතුරේ ටිකක් මේ උඩුවලේ වැටලා වාස් වෙලා ආසර ගිහලා බලාපොරොත්තු සමහර ඒවා පොළොව දැන් පොළොව ඉඳලා දැන් ගඟකට හරි බවකට හරි වැටෙනවා දැන් okay sir
Okay. So now the big question. What is the source of water? Where do we find water on earth? Where does it start? Is it in the rain? Is it in the pond? Is it in the river? Or is it somewhere else? Where is the source of all our water? Which is the biggest portion of the water that we see? Ask the children.
කියන්නේ නම ලෝකයේ වැඩිම වතුරේ වතුර තියෙන තැන ocean so there is ocean
Very, very good. So ocean, right? So ocean is the start or the source of water, correct?
yes
So what happened? The sun, shined on the ocean, and the ocean evaporated and became clouds. And the cloud came to Amitsu and put the water. Okay. Then the water again was taken by the trees and by the rivers and by that what do you call the well or the hole near the kitchen. And again, what happened? This water got distributed in the land. Eventually, it will all flow back into the ocean again. Correct? So tell them from the ocean, the water evaporated and it came to Amitsu. Explain that to them.
Okay, sir. Again, then, මුලින්ම මුදින් දෙවි විලේ වටනවා විලේ වැටලා වතුර වාෂ්ප වලාකුළු හැදෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ඒක වලාකුළු ඇවිල්ලා අපේ ඒකේ අහසුද වලාකුළු ඇවිල්ලා තමයි මේ ඒ බහැපු වතුර එක්කෝ ගහට උනා ගත්තා ඒ කියන්නේ සංගමය ළඟ තියෙන නැත්නම් පිටුපත් තියෙන ඇට්ලා ඒ වතුර ආය වාෂ්ප වෙලා ආය මොනවද යන කොහොමද වාෂ්ප වෙලා මෙහාට ආවද ඉතින් වාෂ්ප වෙලා එහාට okay sir.
Okay, good. So, how much of water, okay, is there on the earth? So let us say, earth is made out of 100 parts. Okay, how much of water on earth? What do they think there is?
පෘථිවියේ කොටස් 100ට කොටස් 100ක් කියන තමයි ඒ කොටස් අනු 100ට ගාන ඒ 100ට ගානේ 100ට 100ම තියෙනවා. එතකොට දැන් ඒ 100ට 100 තියෙනවා බස්සිය පිච්චර කොටස් ගානේ 100ට 100. දැන් පෘථිවියේ චක්‍ර 100ක් කියලා ඒ 100න් වතුර කොච්චරක් තියෙනවද කියලා. කොච්චර ප්‍රමාණයක් තියෙනවද කියලා. මේ කොච්චර තියෙනවද කියලා. වතුර කොච්චර තියෙනවද? කොන්ට වතුර කොච්චරද කියලා දෙවියන්.
And I'm just going to rejoin the meeting again. Just give me 1 second. Share this video, it's not letting me. So I'm going to rejoin. Just give me 1 second.
Okay, sir.